Này đi lại Apple Store để chỉnh cái này. Okay, good. So, Apple Store bây giờ nó dời lại xích quanh này. Này đông chắc người ta đi mua iPhone 17 là nhiều. I need help.
How can I help you?
Yes. I've been doing it stay like that over 2 hours. Upgrade the software upgrade. Then it stay like that. What?
Is this your phone?
Yes.
This other one?
Both, yeah.
Okay. Did you just buy this and you're...
Yeah, this one already like 5 minutes, but this one still now.
Were you trading in or no?
No.
No trading.
Two different.
Okay.
But same iCloud.
Were you erasing this phone?
No.
Yeah. You can order it here if you want from the computers.
I used 2 of them. I upgrade the software. It worked. Upgrade and stay like that.
It's almost done.
No.
It's probably just because you're on the mall Wi-Fi.
No, I stay home till now about over 2 hours. When I were at home.
Unless you replace it.
Stuff on that.
How long has it been like that?
Over 2 hours.
2 hours?
Yeah.
Sorry. You were trying to erase it?
No, not yet.
Or what were you trying to do?
No. I just upgrade the software.
Oh, okay.
Software upgrade.
So it was like updating the software and it got stuck right there.
Stuck right there. Both of them, but it work like 10 minutes. That's done.
Yeah. You might have to go to the Genius Bar, man. They might have to do like a restore with the computer.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, this is. Let's see.
This one still under warranty.
So you put in your Coke? Might work this time.
Yeah.
Let's see.
Just wait and see.
Yep.
Usually, I always when Apple have new version, then I upgrade. But this one first time, I get stuck like that.
Yeah, that's weird. It happens sometimes, but
Yeah.
it should be okay now. Hopefully.
Yeah, hopefully.
Fingers crossed.
Also, the battery under warranty same. Now it's under like
What do you
80.
Like the what?
Yeah, the battery. You usually when you charge up 100%, now upload, then I charge the phone. It say like 87 maximum.
87? That's an odd number.
Yeah.
I don't know. You can change how much you want it to charge to.
If it works, then I'll show you.
Okay.
Okay. Now it.
There you go. Yeah,
Good.
good.
That's good. How did you know that? Oh, how did you do that?
I rebooted the phone. So
Reboot?
it's a hard reset, yeah.
Okay.
Volume up, volume down, whole power.
Let me see if. it's good, right? Mhm. Now I like to show you about it one. The one.
Yeah, like that's how much it charged up to.
Yeah, now it's still 87. It's supposed to be 100.
I mean, it's supposed to be 100 when it's new. It's not new anymore. Yeah, that's the battery health, like the capacity. That happens to
So not under warranty on this one?
Nah, not at 87. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, you're covered with Apple Care.
Uh-oh. Not
You have
very.
Apple Care.
Oh, yeah, I have
Once
Apple
it's at
Care.
79. It's not 87, 79.
I have...
Once it's at 79. 79.
No, let me see. Can you check my Apple Care? Which one? So this one.
So there you have it until 2026.
But not for the battery.
79, sorry. 79, 79.
What is it?
79%.
Oh,
You're at 87,
Yeah, it's still
79. So that's still 7% more.
Then, okay. Okay, thank you.
Sorry, go ahead.
I'm like, I live jungle.
Only because I know there was like a weird software issue going around. It's kind of hard to reset it in the meantime. So you can if that fixes it. Yeah, it's okay. Now I got you. Did you hopefully
Then
fix
aside
that?
from that, iPhone 15
In the meantime,
they all have the standard Apple Care.
can you do me a favor? Take that out.
How the free version. Somewhere on your I think you can do that.
That one also allows you to create your own. I just want to open up the Firefox.
And then bigger screens. Like 30 hours. It's like 2. This is the email one I was mentioning about it. This is on iPad. Just goes to the top. And you can do it on your papers or on your notes. Select all the writing tools.
Hey, Lisa, do you know if I unplug this, will the alarm go off? Oh, well. I mean, I didn't want to check the...
Or if you're doing emails and you want to make it sound more professional, it'll give you suggestions on how to rewrite it. There's a couple other ways to use it. I don't use it myself.
Okay, thank you, my friend.
You're welcome.
Thank you, thank you.
No problem. Have a good day.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.
This video has been edited by iMovieLORD. Lamb Tram.